problem is having us divide a couple fractions. So the first problem is 7/12 divided by 2/9. Okay, now this is equal to 7/12, right, the first number, and instead of dividing by the second fraction, we can perform multiplication by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So instead of dividing by 2/9, we multiply by the number 9/2. Now, before we multiply across, let's see if there's any simplification that we can perform here. Let's see, between 9 and 12, 3 goes in. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. On the top is 7, bottom is 2, so nothing else reduces here. So when we multiply now across, in the numerator we have 7 times 3 for 21, and in the denominator 4 times 2 for 8. So the final answer to this problem is 21/8. Let's try that again one more time. 5/12 divided by 15/14. So again, we'll take the first number, 5/12. We will multiply by, instead of 15/14, we'll multiply by the reciprocal, which is 14/15. And now, any reduction? Let's see. The number 2 goes into both 14 and 12. 2 goes into 14 7 times, 2 goes into 12 6 times, and the number 5 goes into 5 and 15. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the final answer, it looks like we're getting here, in the numerator 1 times 7, which is 7, and in the bottom 6 times 3, which is 18. So this answer is 7/18. Would you like to try one on your own? Why don't you give it a shot here? Pause the video and see if you can do this problem on your own. Assuming you paused and gave it a shot here, what do we have? The first number is 7/9. The second number was dividing by 8/15, so we'll multiply by the reciprocal, which is 15/8. Any common numbers to go into the top and the bottom? Looks like the 9 and the 15 both have a common 3, so we'll take a 3 out of there. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then in the final step, when we multiply across, we're getting 7 times 5 for 35, and 3 times 8 for 24. So the final answer, 35/24.